Today we're going to show you how to crimp on F connectors. The first step is to cut the length of cable you need. Step 2. Strip the cable using the larger opening a ½ inch away from the end. Now pull the braid back over the insulation. Now strip the dielectric ¼ inch from the end of the cable. Before crimping, push the connector onto the end of the cable. The barrel needs to be crimped in 2 places, here and here. And that's it. Repeat these steps if you need to crimp the other end of your cable.